Hello friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake's V2 ARGB Series, new white and green match colors. So friends, Thermaltake has expanded its V2 ARGB series of AIO water cooling units with the addition of fresh color options including white and matcha green, and the release includes a total of 10 models providing you with enhanced aesthetic choice and cooling performance. So friend, the V2 Ultra ARGB now include a white color option, features a 480 by 480.2.1 inch LCD panel on the water block, available in 4 inches size 240, 280, 360 and 480 mm, equipped with CT ARGB series cooling fans with ARGB LED illumination. And friend, the V2 ARGB series offers 6 new models including Matcha Green with 280 mm radiator and white variants in 120, 240, 280, 360 and 480 mm sizes, features infinity mirror in a water block and also equipped with CT ARGB series cooling fans. And in terms of technical specification, pump rotation speed is 1500 to 3300 rpm, 120 mm fan rotation speed 500 to 2000 rpm, air volume is 57.05 cfm, 2.23 mm H2O static pressure at 25.8 dB in noise level, and the radiator dimensions vary depending on the model, with widths ranging from 120 to 139 mm and depth from 157 to 456 mm. And the thickness of the radiator remains consistent at 27 mm, and the water tube length measures 460 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.